Okay, honey, I'll go fishing now. If you need anything, you can call me. I'm gonna get back at 7 p.m.
Wait for us.
Huh? Wait for us. What?
We're going fishing with you. It's funny, isn't it, Oliver?
Oh, fishing with me? Huh?
Yes, Daddy, we're going fishing with you. Yay!
Oh, okay, come on. So we won't be late.
So to let you know, I got a lot of stuff in the backpack of the car.
A lot of stuff? Like what?
You'll see. So, Dad, where see we're going to?
Probably somewhere you don't know. You're gonna see it's so beautiful. You like it.
Okay, let's see. Oh my god, it's so cold over here. All of you got like pants, and I got a dress. I'm so stupid. Oh, I didn't think about it. I told you, Olivia. It's really December. It's winter. It's Christmas, and you're getting us a dress. Okay, I'm sorry, Mom.
Guys, did you get the shoes?
Of course we did. Let me go get them. Hey, wait for me. There is 3 shares. You cannot hold them alone. This is so heavy. This is so heavy.
Okay, let's go now. Seriously?
Yay, we got a fish finally. Yes.
Okay guys, please wonder if you got me the fridge.
It's so heavy, but whatever.
Okay, let's try another chance.
Good, we got another fish. Dad, can you please try?
Oh yes, of course.
Seriously, I can't. I'm gonna try another chance until I get a fish, and I don't care to anyone if you say it. You better be a fish. No way, this is unfair. Again. This is your last time, dear Olivia. Can you shut your mouth? Finally, this is what I was looking for. Come on, sweetie, Catalea, it's your turn. Let's try. I got a fish from the first time. I'm so lucky. So since Olivia tried 3 times, I'm gonna try 3 times too. I completely win, Olivia. I got 2 fish. Now it's my last time. Let's see what do I get.
Oh girls, it seems that you really like fishing.
Yay, I got 3. Unlike you, just 1. Let's see my luck. Oh, a mini fish. That's good. Mom, you are so tolerant. Did you practice somewhere? Oh, it's my grandfather.
Oh honey, it seems like we got a lot of fish. Let's go to a jungle so we can eat them there like a camping. What do you think?
Of course. Come on, let's go.
Oh girls, I think you have to get some timbers. It's so dark in here.
Oh, we found 2. Oh, Catalea, I think it's enough. Oops, it's not enough for me. She's so stupid. I found 2.
Oh, good job, girls.
kinda a bad smell. Honey, don't say something like that. Mom, I'm just saying the truth. Sometimes the truth are not good to say. But for me, I really like how does it smell. Mom, stop acting. Honey, be careful.
I really hope I never can get too fishes.
Okay, I think so. Mom, I actually got some marshmallows with me. Oh, honey, I think we have to get like that really skinny timbers. Can you go get it? Yes, of course. Come on, let's go, Katalaya. Oh, here is one. Another one. Oh, it's actually the end of the jungle. It's like ocean, and I can't spot. And we got only 3. And that, or whatever of us, I'm not gonna eat the marshmallows, I think. Oh, let's just get back and see what's gonna happen. Oh, Mom, I think there is a mistake. We've only got 3.
Oh, darling, don't worry. My personality doesn't like marshmallows.
It looks so delicious. Yum yum yum, so beautiful. It's so softy.
I just want to understand how you don't like something like that, Liam.
This story was so funny, Liam. Okay guys, now I have a surprise for you. Follow me. Watch. I got a butterfly. Wow, you were so talented. Can I try, please? Let's go to another place.
Oh, I actually think the butterfly is too high, so let me hold you.
I got it. I'm gonna free her. Hey, I wanna try too. Yeah, I got it. Yay, I got the bee. Guys, this was the video for today. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.